Hi there, Julius here, internet marketer for a couple of years. I haven't done a video for a while now. Last month was a bit crazy, so is this month going into August tomorrow. I just said I should do a quick video. I'm gonna make this really quick because I've got some chores to do. So this is the statement of my account as of July the 31st. 2018. The purpose of doing video is to get a commentary so that by the end of the year you can see how things have been. With this particular account, FutureNet, and another on some other programs, I'm going to take you through over the months, coming weeks, as regular as I can do these videos, and you can see the progress that I can make, which you can also do. It is not a get rich quick scheme. You're gonna need to work at it and commit yourself to it. So if you go into my YouTube, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I have done other videos from the beginning of this year, and as of 31st of July I am about 110, about 100, yeah, about 110. I think by in the next, so the next 8 hours, that I'm going to be buying another ad pack. That's what I've earned today. A question came through. I've been getting new signups, even though I'm not actually what I would say advertising that much, not as much as I want to, because I'm waiting for this sum to grow. I'm looking to be getting $60 a day before I start withdrawing and buying more traffic, which I think is what everybody needs to do. But what I do want to say that one of the questions that have been coming through is somebody asked, how much does a $50 pay, or what can you accumulate in one day, in 24 hours with one $50 ad pack? And the thing is, it doesn't actually work that way. It would depend on how many ad packs you have. So I have about 83 $50 ad packs and 23 $10 ad packs. And so it depends also on the sale that will come through FutureNet, because that would determine how much you get. But you're sort of gonna need to sort of do it and see how much you get per day with each particular ad pack. So if you're somebody who can afford to get 100 ad packs, that's good. For somebody like me, I got ad packs from, I got the funds for buying ad packs from another revenue source. That revenue is now gone, so by the time that revenue finished, I had about, oh gosh, was it 20, 30? I can't remember what it was in January. But from January till June, I had naturally not put any of my money from my own pocket. July, I've actually started putting some funds in now because my ad packs are falling like flies. They're just coming out. And so from the beginning of July, I think I've put to the cost of about $300. Not all at once, but every so often I will put $300. See, you can see they're falling off. At one time at the end of June, I had about 7 that just fell off, $50 ad packs that just fell off. And so this one will probably last me to the end of tomorrow. So it depends. And it's just really to try and encourage people who think they can't do anything or don't have a lot of funds. You don't need a lot of funds, but you do need something. So every so often I will add. So if this was to be by 12 midnight, this would probably be about $40, possibly even more than that. I can add another $10 from my pocket, and because $50, and I put another ad pack on. That's how I would normally do it. So hopefully that answers the question for some of you that are signed up. The other thing I want to start doing is I would advise that you would start getting into, I'm starting to buy things through Bitcoin, through Coinbase, one of the other accounts. You're gonna need to start getting into. It's not the only platform where you can buy Bitcoin, but I've started trading in that. I'm starting to buy Bitcoin, and that's how I pay for my ad packs this month. So I started doing that from this month. Another thing I'm gonna plug in very importantly is the marketing system. You need a marketing system. If you're going to do this business, you need to have a marketing system. So if you can't start off with Power Lead system, you start off with Lead Lightning, which is the lower version of this. And yes, one of the things I have also decided to do is I'm going to start reducing that $10 ad pack. I want to focus more on $50 ad pack, because it's a lot more weighted. And when you go to buy it, let me show you that. Let me say what I'm going to buy. So you've got here $10 ad packs work slower than $50 ad packs. 80% of the speed less. So I think I've got to that point where I've actually got $50 ad packs, and so therefore I am no longer going to be buying $10 ad packs for now, at least, just for now. If I go to my status, and this is where I am, I'm entitled to have 1,000 ad packs, which is my goal, sometime this year or next year, who knows. And then I can only have 100 ad packs, but I'm gonna max out that 1,000 $50 ad packs, and hopefully we'll be earning from that. But that's all I have for now. If you've got any questions, drop me a line. Excuse me. Drop me a line. I'll sign up, and then I will try and get in touch as soon as I can. All right. To the next videos. See you. Bye now.